So here we have the Ford Fiesta Titanium X automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get full leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. At the bottom in the middle, you can see the fuel gauge, and then above that, the total miles on this car are 15,164. You can change information that's displayed there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk for various different bits of fuel economy information. And then above that, it will show you what gear this car is currently in. As it's an automatic, we are in P for park currently. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, we have cruise control. And on the left-hand side, we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is, of course, once you paired up the phone, and that is done using the stereo and screen over in the center here. Firstly, though, you can see this car's got DAB digital radio. It also has AM and FM radio as well. If you want to listen to your own music, you've got a few choices. You have the CD player at the top of this unit. And, as you can see on the screen now, you can connect up a USB device, or once you paired your phone, you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. And all of that is done by pressing the buttons down on the side here. This car's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing that working on our website and on our Facebook page. Below that, we have climate control. So you can select the temperature, and you get the digital readout in the middle, the fan speed. Hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit that button and it will take care of the fan speed itself to automatically maintain, in this case, 18.5 degrees. And you can override that by readjusting the fan speed yourself. This car's also got a heated front screen as well as the usual electric rear screen as well there. If we move the gear lever out the way a moment, we also have heated driver and passenger seats. Then the fully automatic gearbox, on the side of which we have this plus and minus. That is so that you can change gear manually on this automatic gearbox. Below that, we have a 12-volt charging socket and the USB input for the music connection, which I showed you a moment ago. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.